Hello everyone, myself Vaidehi and you are watching me on Brown Life. And yes, this video is all about my favorite top 5 affordable, like literally very affordable nude lipsticks, and all of them are under 500 bucks. So I really hope you will definitely enjoy watching this video. So I think without wasting any time furthermore, let's get started with the video. Very first lipstick that I want to talk about is Miss Claire's Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 63, and it retails for MRP 295. I got this from Nykaa and Nykaa पे ऐसा रूल है कि 1000 रुपीज़ के अंदर आप कुछ भी लेंगे तो 100 रुपीज़ का डिलीवरी चार्ज लगेगा. So make sure you are buying this lipstick with other more products. Now talking about the lipstick, the shade is absolutely stunning. It's a perfect brown nude. And as the name says, it's a soft matte lip cream, so you have to make sure that this is not a matte lipstick at all. This is a lip cream, so it does takes a while to settle down on your lips. You can see there is some transfer on my hand, but the lipstick is transfer proof, and I'm saying this because you have to wait for at least 10 minutes so that lipstick will take its time to get settled on your lips and then it becomes matte. ऑल्सो जब भी आप कुछ खाओगे पियोगे, लाइक नॉट पियोगे बट जब भी आप कुछ ऑयली खाओगे, लाइक कंसिडर ईटिंग पाव भाजी या रोटी चावल, लिपस्टिक विल स्टार्ट वेयरिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम द सेंटर. लाइक इट इज़ नॉट लॉन्ग लास्टिंग, दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू से, बट आई एम ओके विथ इट. Now you can see I'm swatching this lipstick on my wrist as well as on my palm. So जो wrist side है that is lipstick on dusky skin tone and palm side is lipstick on fair skin tone. So lipstick दोनों skin tones पे आराम से suit करेगी. Also जितनी भी lipstick मैं दिखाऊंगी आज, वो lipsticks fair और dusky skin tone पे दोनों पे बहुत अच्छे दिखेगी. Moving on to next lipstick that I have is NY Base liquid lipstick, and I got this from purple.com. One thing the website says it's that it's a brown lipstick, but definitely not. It's a pretty dark pinkish nude color, I can say. The shade name is Retro Nights 18 and you will get 3 ml of products for MRP 195, but I got this lipstick on sale for rupees 156. Now you can see I'm applying lip balm by the brand Mamaearth. Also want to add on that Mamaearth is an Indian plastic positive as well as PETA certified brand, and I love how cute they have provided this cardboard packaging to keep your lip balm in place. So moving on to lipstick. You can see I specially applied lip balm before applying this lipstick because the lipstick in itself is so damn drying that you can't even talk with this lipstick on. So it is really important to moisturize your lips before applying any liquid lipstick by the brand NY Bay. Talking about the formula and longevity, as I said earlier that formula is a little bit drying, but there is no hustle after applying lip balm. Talking about the longevity, वही है कि सेंटर से थोड़ा फेड अवे होगा अगर ऑयली कुछ खाओगे तो. आई नो ये थोड़ा लाइक लिटिल बिट थोड़ा सा डार्कर न्यूड कलर है with a hint of purple in it, but this looks absolutely stunning and आप इस लिपस्टिक को आराम से कॉलेज में वेयर कर सकते हो. Now let's jump into hand swatch. According to hand swatch, I can definitely say that this is not a perfect nude for fair skin tones, और fair skin tone इतना flatter नहीं कर पाएंगे इस shade को. Moving on to next lipstick that I have is Miss Claire's Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 58, and it retails for MRP 295, and again I got this from Nykaa again. And I think this particular color is perfect for wettish to dusky skin tones because it's like MLBB color, that is my lips but better color. I personally feel that this lipstick is so versatile for me because I can apply this lipstick with makeup on and no makeup at all. Also, you must have seen me in my previous videos where I have absolutely no makeup on my face, but my lips does look a little bit pink, and that is when I have applied this lipstick on my lips. If you are someone who is near to my skin tone, then I recommend this lipstick to everyone. I think this lipstick is going to look same on both the shades like fair and dusky. It's just that it is going to look a little bit pinker on fair skin tones. Also, from all the shades that I'm going to show you today, go for this lipstick for sure. Next lipstick that I have is by the brand Darling Isabella, and I got this from purple.com. According to website, it says that it's a brown nude color, and absolutely it's a brown nude color for all the British and dusky skin tones. I have shown this lipstick in my previous video, which I think the title was Foxy Makeup Look, और उस वीडियो में मैंने सेम लिपस्टिक यूज़ की थी. सो आई थिंक वहाँ अगर आप जाके देखोगे तो मेकअप के साथ वो लिपस्टिक काफ़ी अच्छी जा रही है. ऑल्सो द नेम ऑफ दिस लिपस्टिक, Darling Isabella matte lipstick in the shade brown, Your Highness Rouge, and the shade name is Bold Brown Royalty 3. You will get 4.3 grams of product for MRP 125. Can you believe this is for only 125? And one thing that I am completely okay with, but I don't know what are your preferences, but थोड़ा सा lips के ऊपर drag करना पड़ता है while applying this lipstick. Oh my god, that's a really bad hand swatch that I have did. But this lipstick is a perfect nude for British as well as fair skin tones. And I really hope you're enjoying this video so far. So moving on to next lipstick that I have is NY Base Lip Crayon, and it's in the shade Sweet Spot. One thing I don't understand about this lipstick is that कि इसको शार्प कहाँ से करना है, like सामने से कहाँ करना है या पीछे से करना है, क्योंकि सामने से ऐसा कुछ दिया नहीं है कि शार्प करेंगे तो पेंसिल बाहर आएगी, like ऐसा कुछ. So I think पीछे से शार्प करना है. इस वीडियो को कोई भी देख रहा होगा जिसके पास ये पर्टिकुलर लिप क्रेयॉन है और उनको पता है कि शार्प कैसे करना है, तो मुझे प्लीज़ बताना. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द शेड, this lipstick has some sheen in it and it's a pretty pinkish nude lipstick, और मुझे इसके sheen से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. I think this lipstick is definitely not going with my eye makeup, but ठीक है, दिखाने के लिए this lipstick looks good on my lips. Also you can wear such lipsticks in your college. अगर sheen से प्रॉब्लम है then you can set it with any compact powder और sheen जो है उसमें चला जाएगा and it will look like a matte lipstick. This lipstick does transfers a bit, but I personally don't have any problem with it. But आपको अगर problem है तो as I said earlier that you can powder set your lipstick. Again, such a bad hand swatch, I'm sorry for that. But I think this lipstick is going to look stunning on fair skin tones. Dusky skin tones पे भी अच्छा लगेगा. Dusky skin tones के लिए it's like a MLBB color, but for fair skin tones it's a perfect baby pink nude color, I can say. So finally this is the video. So these were my top 5 affordable nude lipsticks for dusky, British and fair skin tones as well. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like, comment, share all those good stuff, and let me know if you want to see more of such videos. Bye.